me again. It is a lovely sunny afternoon here in Adelaide. 25 degrees, just a bit better than 47. I keep having to put my voice down because of my neighbours. And my budgie Louis is over there just going nuts. He's a crazy bird. So I decided to do this potato review because this is starting to look sad. It's still got a bit of growth on it, but I think it's struggling right now. I've been digging in the pot and it doesn't look like there's much there. There's probably all at the bottom of the pot, so I'm not expecting much again. I know my potato reviews have been a little bit boring probably lately because I haven't been generating the huge yields or anything like that, like Brendan and HGV and all you other guys who have been wonderfully commenting on my YouTube, which I am grateful for and thankful for, and love reading your comments. And it's great that I have a community of potato growers on YouTube that are understanding and trying to be very helpful, so I'm very grateful for that. Thank you guys. So I guess there's not much more to say, but let's try and do this because I've been busting to see what's in this pot. It's been going since October and the bottom of the pot feels pretty wet. We have had long hot summer days and I've got potatoes growing in the garden bed, but they don't look like they're doing very much at the moment, so I'm guessing summer and potatoes don't go well together. And I'm guessing I'm going to be right here. The thing is, that's all of the soil. The thing is, when you see an empty looking pot like that, you think, okay, this isn't going to turn out good. The soil is nice and wet, which is good. But, you know, do you want to keep growing potatoes just for that one potato? I rest my case, 2 potatoes. So I'm a bit concerned about the other pots. I've got 2 left at the moment. After all that, 5 months of work, 3 potatoes, 5 months of work, just to get those tiny little potatoes out. It has been hot. I'm not even sure what that is. It has been very hot, like 40-degree days. As I said in my previous video, we just had a 47-degree day a couple of weeks ago, so I think growing potatoes in the Australian summer is a bit of a no-no, if that's all I'm going to get. And look, stuff, I need potatoes big this week because I've got a corned beef silver side, so what I might do, I'm going to harvest this other one over here because it's starting to get bendy. And it's very close to my capsicum, which I don't like. Anyway, there's a lot of growth left on that one, but I'm going to see what I've got here. So, if I don't, next time I do capsicums, guys, I'm not doing it in the garden bed because I don't want to rip it up. Okay, what have we got down here? Anything or nothing? Come on, give it to me, baby. What have we got? Whoa. These are volunteer potatoes. That must have been the culprit that got left over from last year. Just checking for some more. it is in the awkward position of the garden. I've been meaning, yeah, see, it's nice and soft. Those must be the leftover seed potatoes from last year. I thought I'd get a bit more than that, but obviously not. So, I've got a great big capsicum plant in front of my face, so I'm going to have to move. These are all the other potatoes growing in the garden, but they're not doing very much. I might actually rip up the whole lot and start all over again, I think. I'm just not doing very well. I don't know what it is I'm doing. Excuse me when I get up. So, yeah, I just hope those other pots are going to be a bit more worth it, because if not, I'm just at that point where I'm ready to give up. And that one's very scabby looking. Ew. In fact, they both are not happy. So, there you go. It's official. I can't grow potatoes. Okay, bye for now.